Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap. Today is Monday, November 4th. So I traded like complete garbage today, man. I hit max loss today, and yeah, I'm just glad that I have risk parameters in place that doesn't allow me to trade anymore. So let's get into it. So I traded KBTI at the open. I was hoping to get to the break of this pre-market high, break of $14, as you can see here. I apologize. All my levels are all gone. I'm just now doing my recap. I had to run to work, so bear with me. So I went long, hoping the crack of the $14. And with my stop, since it was extended from VWAP, with my stop to break of VWAP, didn't get there. I got stopped out. So in hindsight, I should have waited for confirmation. KBTI had a pretty high percentage short float, but it didn't pan out. So I should have waited for at least the first few minutes on that trade. So that was one loser on KPTI, and then I had a really good trade on Facebook. So I was looking at the daily here, had a beautiful inside day hammer candle, and I knew that if this can get break the high of the previous day, that this thing could potentially run. So this thing popped up on good volume, pulled back to VWAP. I went long with my stop break of VWAP, and this thing ended up working really nice, really beautiful, in my favor. And yeah, I was able to catch a really decent move. Also made a pretty decent opening range breakup, as you can see. But I definitely got a better entry by getting in on that pullback right around VWAP. So at this point, I'm up on the day, 1 R, because I had one loser and then this one was a decent winner. So this put me at 2 R. So I was up 1 R on the day, and this is where I probably should have stopped. But I traded Under Armour. I really like the price action here. Was making higher highs, higher lows on the 5 minute. Nice bullish wick, higher lows. Reclaim VWAP. I was also was flagging here on the 1 minute. So right when it made a 1 minute high from this pullback, I went long and I just scalped this. So that was a nice little winner. So I was up 1.5 R on the day, and this is where things kind of got out of hand. I ended up trading KPTI again. Actually, I traded Apple first. Um, and the first one was I probably would have taken the trade over. It's the second one that I probably shouldn't have taken. So I like this action here. It was kind of holding around VWAP. I felt like it had a possibility to break this 200 moving average, so I went long. It popped up, didn't quite get there, and it lost. It came back down, lost momentum, so I got all out. And then I went back in again, which I shouldn't have done, and then I got stopped out. So this is when my revenge trading started to take place, and then I took a trade on KPTI, hoping to again crack that 14 whole dollar. Which it did. And so I went long. It popped up. I was hoping to get to this high of day, which was around 14.20. Um, it didn't quite get there. Pulled back, and I added to my position, hoping to get back to here. Pulled back. This is where I definitely shouldn't have added. I added more to my position. So I'm in here pretty heavy. And yeah, this is just terrible trading. And hopefully you guys can learn from this. Do not add to a loser. And I did that. Just terrible, terrible. And usually I'm fairly disciplined, and today I cracked. Says mental relapse. Also, look at the shooting star. Clear indication that there's going to be a reversal in place, potential reversal, and that happened. So yeah, I added to my position, pulled back, and obviously I got stopped out right there. Stopped myself out because I knew I was trading like a complete jackass. So glad I had risk parameters in place. It hit my max loss, so it locked me out. Was unable to trade for the rest of the day. But yeah, hopefully this video will help you guys, and you guys can learn from my mistakes. I definitely learned from my mistakes. I cannot do this. I haven't had a day like this in a long time, but it is what it is. I just got to learn from it and just move on. Yeah. If you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom, and I will get to you as soon as I can. I hope everyone had a better trading day than I did, and I will see you guys tomorrow.